Hands, all of your hands! Get your fucking hands up!
I hope you guys know what you're doing.
Hands! You stop fucking looking at me. Stop fucking looking at me. Get your fucking hands up.
You know they're gonna kill you. You know that, don't you? That doesn't have to happen. It shouldn't happen to you. You should just put the gun down, turn around, and walk out the front door. I'll take care of your friend.
I'm gonna fucking tell you again, you stop fucking looking at me.